Hi there, Chris here. Follow up. I have one more Medico to pin, and it's the Medico Logic, the M3 Logic. And the M3 Logic goes in this display, and the key works these two, but it didn't work this one. So I thought I would open it up and see maybe one of the key pins was in the wrong order. But I wasn't really thinking, and it took me a while, a bit to tumble. See, if you see this little thing on here, there's an electronic element to this lock. And I have taken all the pins out, and they look like the right pins. And I was looking at the key, and it does have this little contact point, which I wondered what that was about, that the others don't have. And the key, also I started looking at it and thinking, oh, well, something comes off here. And there's also, where is it? Looks like a little LED light. So anyway, I finally figured out that if you turn that to the side and open this up, it has a little, or not so little, battery in it. So I have ordered a battery, and when that comes, I'll see if I can get the lock open, because it's still, even with all those pins out, there's that electronic element that does something in here. Now, I've probed around in there, and it's not the traditional little sliding thing on the right. There's something in here, but I can't quite feel if it's side pins that you have to, sidebar pins that you have to rotate up or push in or what. Because I don't know, it's very small. I've also tried a magnet on the side, nothing with that. So when I get the proper battery, we'll see if we can get that open. I also wanted to try this, let's see, Tokoz lock out of the package. It did have a little damage on it, but I haven't taken it out. I thought I'd try and pick it and out of the package pick, so we'll see. We'll open this up. I should show the package. So, anti-drill protection. I can't see what that is. Comes with 3 keys. I think that's anti-pick, and maybe that's it. Oh, anti-bump. This is the back of it. Real quick, lubricate. All right. And I thought, I looked through the side of the package. Look out, Slink. And it appears to have a really nasty ass keyway. So out of the package pick, who knows? But it looks like all this comes out, so that would be cool. Anyway, let's pull out a key. The keys don't appear to be, the bitting doesn't appear to be too tough. Really flat bitting. And they all appear to be the same, so it's not mastered or operated, or key goes in pretty rough. There is a Phillips head screw in there. The lock is pretty damn heavy. So anyway, let's see if I can get anywhere with this. Boy, where am I gonna go with this? There's a pin in there. See if this tensioner will work. Boy, if I have to go bottom of the keyway, I'm gonna not be happy. That does not want to go in. Boy, did I pick a tough one for out of the package. There seems to be absolutely no movement in the core. And I'll start with my regular pick if I can find it. Pardon me. Let's see here. It almost feels like the core is locked. It's very interesting. I mean, no movement whatsoever. And it is pretty a nasty keyway. Well, nasty keyway aside, hard to tension. Screw you, buddy. Well, it is a nice massive body and a massive... You can tell I like picking locks. I'm not going to gut this right now because I don't have any room to gut it. But I will gut it. I will gut it in a future video. I'm not even going to try that again. That is the Tokoz. There is the bidding. What can I say? I'll let you guys be the judge. One other thing is, sorry about a lot of late responses on your comments. For some reason, the YouTube on my phone seems to be taking everybody's comments, not just one or two every once in a while, and putting them in held for review. I'm not sure why that's happening, so I have to go over to the YouTube studio and look at the comments and then approve each and every one of them, and then I can comment. So hopefully I've restarted my phone and I've tried to remember to take the airplane mode off, which is something I have on when I shoot a video. So anyway, thanks. Leave a comment. What can I say? See you next time.